Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with another market report for April 30th, 2025. And one thing I can tell you for sure is the up arrows definitely won this week. Only one down arrow on the year-over-year on sold homes. Everything else is up. We've got more inventory. We've got appreciation just barely up. We're seeing softening in prices. As apparent in the data, we've seen that over the last 10 weeks of softening in prices. This may be the crash. This may be the start of it. Who knows? I don't know. All I know is people got to make moves. Whether it's you, your friend, whatnot, let us know. We'd love to help them out. Closings happen every day. People got to make moves. And we see in the numbers, we saw active available homes up 1% week over week, up 54% year over year. New listings are up 9% week over week, up 14% year over year. This up thing's going to keep happening. Solds are up 22% week over week, but down just 7% year over year. The one down arrow. Pendings are up 33% week over week, 23% year over year. Median sale price for the last 7 days came in at $260,000, showing 2% appreciation versus last year. Year over year, we're looking at about last 12 months, we're looking at $250,000 median sale price, showing about 6% appreciation. Days on market did slow up, so we're seeing another softening sign, maybe tariff related. I would assume interest rates haven't moved that much. So I'd say most likely we're going to attribute that, especially when we're in selling season. We shouldn't see it slowing up, but it slowed up big time from 26 to 42, so up about 16 days on the average. Median was up about 4 from last time to 9, and we're seeing that 42 average, 9 median versus last year at this time. We're in selling season and showing that at 25 average and 6 median, so significantly slower than last year at this time. Over the last 12 months, we saw 4,412 homes sold versus 4,300, still showing growth about 3% over last year. And remember that last year was better than 2023, which in Fort Wayne was our worst year. That was our recession year for housing sales. So we're seeing still with needing 2,206 homes to have 6 months inventory. It means we need about 1,100 to have a balanced inventory. We have about 550 right now. So we're getting closer to starting to get into that buyer, but still a little seller sided, less than 2 months inventory. So still a seller's market. Homes still worth more than they've ever been before. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace. Go Cubs.